APIs are essential in modern systems. When they are slow or unreliable, everything built on top of them suffers. In this video, I'm improving a real aspnetcore web API, not with tricks, but with small decisions that actually matter in production. Here I'm starting from a clean minimal API project. Minimal APIs are great for moving fast, but they also make it easy to skip structure if you are not careful. Before exposing any endpoint, I define a DTO. Using a DTO keeps the API contract explicit and stable, and it avoids sending data the client doesn't actually need. Here I am introducing a small service layer. Even in a tiny example, I don't want business logic inside the endpoint. The service method is fully async and supports cancellation. This is not just a technical detail. Under real traffic, clients disconnect all the time, and without cancellation, the server keeps doing useless work. Propagating the cancellation token helps the API scale better and use resources more responsibly. Now I am exposing the service through a minimal API endpoint. The endpoint itself stays very small. It validates input, delegates the work to the service, and shapes the HTTP response. I'm using ProblemDetails to return errors. It's a standard way to describe errors in a web API. Instead of returning random strings, the API always responds with the same error structure. This makes error easier to handle on the client side and easier to understand when something goes wrong. Finally, I run the API and test different scenarios. I am not only testing the API path, but also invalid input. If this video was helpful to you, please press the like button and subscribe to the channel.